9:15 now on your Monday morning. An innovative healthcare breakthrough is making history here in Central Illinois, and we have in studio Dr. Adel Mina to talk about it and help us understand it better, including its significance. Doctor, thank you for being here this morning.
Thank you for having me.
Okay, we're talking about the installation of a CCP device, the first of its kind in Central Illinois. Tell us a little bit about what that means.
Well, the CCM device is a cardiac contractility modulator. It helps patients with heart failure improve their symptoms, their quality of life, and their 6 minutes walk. It's a special kind of a pacemaker that is attached with 2 leads to the right lower chamber of the heart, and it helps modulate the contraction of the heart, and it has a short and intermediate and long-term benefit.
I see. And why is this the first one in Central Illinois?
Well, the device has been approved for many years. Recently have had FDA approval, and now we're able to enroll the patients. It's currently Medicare and insurance approved as well.
Excellent. What was that whole procedure like for you to have the CCM device in your hands, to be part of that whole process? I mean, how did you feel?
I think this is very great to be able to introduce this therapy for heart failure patients, to help those patients and to be able to get them feeling much better and have less chances of going back to the hospital for recurrent hospitalization for heart failure.
And how was the patient feeling afterwards?
Doing very well.
Good, good. I'm sure you've been doing some follow-ups with them as well?
Yes, and most of the benefit happens weeks to months after the device therapy, so we're excited that to see what will happen to those patients. 80% or more will have improvement in their functional status.
Oh, wow, that's remarkable.
It's a very remarkable device.
Now, this is definitely going to sort of set the bar for treatments like this going forward. How are things going to change for our own hospitals here in the area?
Well, I think we're getting much better in understanding heart failure, how to improve the symptoms, how to lower the chance of hospitalization. The therapy for medication has significantly improved, so hopefully that will be another edge to help those patients with heart failure.
No doubt about it, no doubt about it. Tell me a little bit about how this recent procedure is going to also maybe set the standard for our local hospitals just in Illinois in general. I mean, I'm sure this is going to be something that really others will look to us and say, wow, that's remarkable they were able to pull it off.
Definitely, I expect the procedure volume will increase significantly for patients with heart failure. That will set the stage to better understand heart failure and how to treat it. And this device has also rechargeable battery, which is a special kind of pacemaker. That this is newer technology we're not used to. So we're really hopeful that this will be taking off in the near future.
And with that in mind, how does this make you feel personally? I mean, to have been involved in all this to such a great degree.
I feel, very satisfied that the patients will feel better and we'll be able to take care of patients better. And this is all what it's about.
Absolutely. When was the last time you talked to the patient?
The patient just been in the office, and we just interviewed her, and she's doing well, and I expect her to do better. This is most of the therapy and advancement in this therapy and clinical outcome happens over weeks or months, but overall the device is doing well, wound check is good, and the patient is doing very well.
All good indicators. We love to hear that. Dr. Adel Mina, thank you so much for telling us. And obviously this is something that you may want to keep in mind too. If you or someone you know may need a treatment like this, Carle's going to be the place to go for sure. And of course, if you or someone you know wants to join us on Talk of the Town, go to 25newsnow.com/community, click that Talk of the Town tab, and submit the form. And as always, we got some birthdays coming up that we're going to celebrate. Stick around.